engines on that train. 2 on the front and 3rd one in the rear. That is this train right here approaching the Carroll Avenue railroad crossing, which is about a quarter mile down. Boy, I can feel that cold breeze coming off that train. It's the early morning of December 24th, 2023. Probably close to 2:30 a.m. of the 24th. We just caught a pipe train coming south on the Norfolk Southern Montview line. I'm down here in front of the Amtrak station. The welcome to Lynchburg, the historic Kemper Street station. This is where the Amtrak train comes. I'm surprised that there are trains running today, but LYH loves you. That is like the letters they use for like airports and stuff like that. Lynchburg Airport is recognized by LYH. So, see LYH, that means Lynchburg, Virginia. And it might be a while before another train comes up. But I thought I'd let you know. I'll try to get some daytime trains. I kind of doubt it. I don't know if any of them are running later in the day. I don't know if any of them are running later in the day. Or tomorrow. Christmas Day. Who knows? Sometimes. Clear my view. And there's the tunnel that goes under Park Avenue. The train tracks go under Park Avenue. You got a yellow on both sides and a red on the left. I bet if I go down to the next bridge overpass at 12th Street, it'll probably be green on both sides. The Amtrak station is not open at night. It'll be opened back up in the morning. Oh, here we go. Yeah. There's an interesting kiosk here. I don't know if it's touchscreen or not. There's the I don't think it's a kiosk. It looks like it's set up for speakers down below here, but the ice at River. Yes, they have an ice skating rink at River Ridge Mall just outside. And if you're interested, you can scan some of those. Liberty Flames football, go bowling. January 1st bowl. There we go, back to the beginning. Anyways, here we go. They open at 6:15 a.m. and they're open until 1:45 p.m. and then they close. Then they reopen at 3:45 p.m. and they're open until 11:15. It used to be open until midnight, but they did away with that. The only time they stay open later is if the train is late. So most of the trains would be at least gone before midnight, so close to about 11 o'clock. The only time the train station would stay open late is if the train was late coming south. So yeah, most of the train shuts would be done before 11 o'clock, so the station master would be gone by 11:15. This is one of those automated announcement things they put up at a lot of the Amtrak stations. It's got a speaker. Right now it just has the 2:42 a.m. Sunday, December 24th. They would have speakers that would use I guess it's an AI voice or pre-recorded voice, and announce when the train is going to be here and what to do when get your boarding pass out and any identification documents. I wonder how long in the future before they decide that they need to screen passengers before they get on the train like they do with the airplane. Lynchburg Regional Airport. It just makes you wonder how long before they do that, so. Let me pause this. I'm going to go up to the top level and then we're going to check something else out. Okay. This is the upper level of the train station. That's the elevator that goes down to the train station for pedestrians. This looks like they recently put this up. It used to be nice. It used to be passengers used to be able to go watch the train on this top level, but they've closed it off. I think what it was is they had homeless problem. At one time, they had these steps closed off because some homeless who didn't want to go into the shelter came down here and made a mess on the steps here, so they had to block the steps off for a while. And kind of disappointing when someone does that. That's just stupid right there. But the upper level used to be, long time ago, used to be the train station either for Southern or Norfolk Western. I can't remember which two. Actually, it was shared. It's now Lynchburg Registrar's office, but the no loitering police enforced. Long time ago, like I said, part of it used to be train station up here, and the other end used to be Greyhound bus station. But they closed up the Greyhound bus station part, and what they did is they started selling Greyhound bus tickets out of the Greater Lynchburg Transit Company's bus station over there on the other side of the road over here, the one with the lights on top of the building. So GLTC, it's not open 24 hours either, so, but you got Amtrak here. They haven't fixed the lights on this thing in quite a while. Here we go. Kemper Street Station History. (1912). By the Southern Railway. Anyways, that's some pretty interesting history. And you can see where the old platform is in the center there. There used to be a platform here. That's gone. This is all gone right here. I think the platform only comes to right over here now. And then there's just steps that go down. The area down there where the bricks are, that's where this track used to be a long time ago. Actually, there used to be another set of tracks over here. But they've kind of changed that. There's probably more old pictures of that at the Lynchburg City Museum. And here's the James River Heritage Trail System. We're right here. Norfolk Southern. We're right here. And that's the tracks. And the defect detector. Defect detector is right around here somewhere. I'm trying to think. Right up here somewhere. Yeah, right up here. This is where the defect detector is. 170.8. That's where that defect. In fact, I don't think I heard it go off when this pipe train came through. So, but it shows the trail right there. So, that's pretty interesting. So, anyways. If it wasn't so cold, there you go. Here's a picture of that. Lights aren't working. Anyways, historic 1912 Kemper Street Station. Anyways, it was completed in 2001. The rebuilding, refurbishing of the station. But anyways, yep. Seeing this thing, they just only show this section right here. They don't show the section that came over the tracks. Only one set of tracks. There's actually two. In the old days, there was three. But, anyways. Actually, this used to be bad down here at night long time ago, but it's actually been pacified. They haven't had any issues down here. The neighborhood has gotten a little bit better. It wasn't like that during the during the crack wars here. They got the water turned off. Water fountain closed for the season. Yep. Okay, this says Parks and Recreation, Kemper Street Park, Station Park, 825 Kemper Street. Closed from sunset to sunrise except for permitted activities. So that's probably another reason why you don't see anybody hanging in here. The police have made it clear there's not going to be any homelessness hanging out here. Now, we don't have a homeless problem here. I mean, not as in a certain sense. The homeless issue, a lot of people will go to the Salvation Army down the road here, but if you do drugs and you don't pass the urinalysis test, you can't come in. They do not want drug addicts in there. So, the ones you see out here on the street that are homeless, they are the drug addicts. And no one wants to deal with them. This is the voter registration and election office. No trains. No train station. Elevator to train platform are on the side. Anyways, this used to be the train station. It's the voter registrar's office now. The Amtrak is on the lower level. And that's the GLTC, Greater Lynchburg Transit Company. All the buses that go around town, they pull up there. So is Greyhound, Megabus, and the Virginia Breeze line. All stop over there on the other side in the pavilion. Now, they got, there used to be a, this is chained off. You used to be able to go around that way. And they got another gate down there too. This section right here, this all used to be separated rooms right here. This used to be well, I can't see nothing through here, but there's still some it's still separated area there. They keep the windows closed or kind of. But this used to be the entrance for Greyhound. But Greyhound doesn't stop there anymore. In fact, see the canopy right there? The Greyhounds used to stop right there. But they stop over on the other side of that building under that big canopy. Here's Mary Jane's Cafe. I don't even know if that place is open anymore or not. It looked like, I don't know. It's a very old place, so not many people go in there. It's more or less for locals. So, anyways, quite a lot of parking down here. Oh, check this out. Alright, see that? That's a property marker right there. Southern Railway. Still in the ground. I think that marked where the property used to be one time, or their right of way. That is an old marker. I'm surprised they left it there, but anyways, old cobblestone. All these vehicles right here are people who parked and took the Amtrak. There's additional parking on the other side of the bus station in an auxiliary parking lot. But yeah, this is all Amtrak parking right here. You used to be able to park down below where the at the train station, but they prohibited overnight parking, although I went down there earlier and there's some cars down there. If you saw in the earlier shots, there was some cars down there not supposed to park there overnight. I guess because if you park down there, you're more likely to have your vehicle broken into. So, but right here, it's not an issue because, like I said, this neighborhood has been pacified. Everything has been fixed up around here. It looks decent, so not like back in the 1990s when it was, I remember it was a lot worse down here. Anyways, that's it from Lynchburg, Virginia. I think that'll be it for this morning. Lynchburg, Virginia. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody else. And from the Israeli fans out there, I hope you all had a happy Hanukkah. There.